How to use parental controls on the Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, and today in this video presentation, I'll show you on how to use the parental controls on the Nintendo Switch. It's a really quick and easy process, so follow along. Using the parental controls on your Nintendo Switch is possible, but you need to do it through the mobile app available on the Play Store or the App Store. Download the app and use the Nintendo Switch console to set it up. Get the app called the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls on the Play Store for the Android and the App Store for the iOS. After installing the app, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. In the Nintendo Switch console settings, you will find the Parental Controls option. Once both the devices are connected and the app is ready, you'll see all the connected Nintendo Switch consoles on the home screen. You can view daily time limits and check a monthly summary of most played games for each user, including setting time limits, restriction levels, or up-in. To adjust the settings, go to the Console Settings tab, use the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, and you can customize playtime limits, restriction levels, and for more each specific console. When someone is playing with the parental controls enabled, they will receive a warning when they reach the playtime limit. Customize trigger limits for the weekdays and relax them on the weekends. Everything is highly customizable, so take your time to adjust the settings according to your preferences. So this is basically on how to use parental controls on the Nintendo Switch. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.